How to remove third-party app access from Google. To remove third-party app access from your Google account, simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Google app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Once done, tap on your profile picture or initial at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Manage Your Google Account option available there. Once you tap on the Manage Your Google Account, you will get to see the Security tab option available. Go to it and scroll down unless you see third-party apps with account access section available there. Once done so, simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see a list of apps or third-party apps with your account access on your screen. Now, in order to remove these, you cannot remove them altogether, but you can remove them manually. So let's start with the top one. So all you have to do is tap on it. Once tapped on it, you will get to see delete or remove option available at the second. Simply tap on it again and delete the account access from this third-party app. Now continue doing same with the other as well if you want to. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.